So what is El Nino and La Nina? So El Nino and La Nina is centered around a pool of water, of warm water around the equatorial Pacific. And during La Nina, that pool of warm water is centered toward Asia, Indonesia, Australia, New Zealand. It's over on that side. It's pushed over there by the ocean currents. So the currents and the direction that the trade winds blow coming into the equator push that pool of warm water toward the um, Indonesia side. And when that water is on that side, when that side is experiencing that warmer than average temperature, which is usually on average, that pool of water is typically about 5 to 9 degrees Celsius above average. And what it does is it influences the overall weather patterns over here in North America and many areas across Africa and the uh, Asian countries around the equatorial region. So Australia experiences an abundance of rainfall. The rainfall is higher in Malaysia, Singapore, Southeast Asia tends to see more rainfall. We tend to see more droughts over in South America. The desert southwest of the United States will see more drought conditions for the U.S. as well. And when there's La Nina, El Nino, that water, that warm pool is now over the eastern Pacific. So it's now off the coast of Ecuador and Peru in Southern California. So when we have La Nina, then those weather patterns flip. Then Southeast Asia and Australia, New Zealand, then they experience a drought, and then we get an abundance of rainfall in California, the West Coast. Then it's typically warmer in the United States. The Atlantic hurricane season suddenly becomes less active because there's more wind shear over the Atlantic basin. So the tropical season is less active. It's more active during La Nina season. Like we're expecting a busier than average hurricane season this year because of the La Nina pattern. So, and then also with climate change, this pattern occurs more frequently as we used to have about a 7 year interval. Now it's down to about 2 to 3 years.